Hello viewers, please subscribe our channel and hit a like. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm talking about the Snapseed photo editing. First of all, go to the Snapseed. Hello guys, welcome to back to our another video. Today I'm talking about the Google product, Google Calculator. What is Google Calculator? Today I'm talking about this. Here is Google Calculator. Google Calculator is Google LLC product. You can use it for calculate scientific or normal calculating. This is a huge and helpful calculator for all of the people, all of the students. First of all, go to the Google Play Store and search calculator. In the calculator text, here is the is under the calculator text you see Google LLC. It's a Google LLC calculator, and download this calculator. Many kind of calculator is in Play Store, but you must be download the calculator which tag with Google LLC. Now go to the Play Store and search Google Calculator, then install the software. What about the description of the software? Here's the about. There's the new improve. Okay. Okay, we'll be back in here. Okay, improve, tablet support, quick setting, tile support, bug fix and performance improvement. A simple calculator utility for Android. Calculator provides simple and advanced mathematical functions in a beautifully designed app. Perform basic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Do scientific operations such as trigonometric, logarithm and exponential functions. This is the feature of this calculator. Now click on the open of the calculator. Here is the calculator. Opened it. You can calculate here. I calculate 5 plus 5 equal to 10, minus 5 2 equal to minus 42, plus 100 equal to plus 58, into 6 equal to 348, divided by 6 equal to 58. 58 minus 3 plus 55 minus 6 plus 60 equal to 164. 65 into 6 minus 5 plus 45 equal to 430. You can use bracket. I love the here. 5 into 5 bracket 6 minus 6 bracket. Here's the answer 0. All of the calculation are easily. The 10 theta 90 degree equal to domain error. Here not provide degree, so it's domain error. Click AC. It is the register of the calculator. Cos theta 90 equal to 0. Tan theta 90 equal to domain error. Sin theta 90 equal to 1. Here is the value of the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, or you can use sin theta 30 degree equal to 0.05 as you can pi into 1. Here's the value of the pi into 1. You can use 5 power 2 25. Okay, all of the you can use 25 root 25 equal to 5. Of the essential is here. So thanks for all, guys. Have a nice day.